stage might still be vibrating after that last dance.
Let's give it up for India one more time,
India,
please.
one more time.
For this next dance, we take you to a country where movement isn't just dancing, it's a way of life. The Dominican Republic!
La República Dominicana!
This country is the birthplace for rhythms such as the merengue and the bachata.
Yeah. Also, the beaches, oh my God, incredible. And don't even get me started on the food. Mofongo.
Top tier.
Yeah.
Top tier.
Also, I gotta be honest, whenever the Dominican guy at the bodega calls me papi, highlight of my day.
That's a little embarrassing, Ephraim.
Yeah, probably. Okay, but you know what I always wondered about Dominicans?
What?
Do you think there's a setting on their cars that lets them drive down Main Street without going full blast?
Are you for real complaining about that?
Absolutely not. Whenever I hear it, I sing along. I go, la mama de 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 la mama.
Let's not get too carried away. Let's not get carried away. Let's introduce the choreographers for this dance, Casey, Clarissa, and Virginia.
Hello, buenas, buenas. Hello, good evening. Are you having a good night? My name is Virginia.
My name's Casey, and my name's Clarissa.
We are so excited to be choreographing for the DR this year. This dance combines the best of the Dominican culture. We're starting with some traditional and a personal favorite, merengue. We're moving on to bachata, and then y'all's favorite, dembow. This dance is a mixture of our different experiences, connections to the Dominican culture. I would like to take a moment and send un abrazo y un besito enorme a mi familia. They're sitting. Un beso, papi, Amanda, Avero, Ave. Thank you for coming. Thank you for supporting me through all this. It's been a lot of late nights, so thank you for bearing with me. I know I'm not there all the time, but I am there. And a special thanks to my family, friends, and teachers back home in the DR. Thank you for always filling my life and with music and dance, for always making sure I grew up respecting and loving my country and my culture, and para siempre llevar esa bandera en alto. Un abrazo, Quisqueya.
I would also like to thank my parents, mi familia viéndome desde casa. They're in New York right now. Hi, mommy. Hi, papi. Hi, everybody. For always bringing me up with my culture, keeping me surrounded by the music, the food, the love, everything, raising me here and there. I feel so grateful to be Dominican, so it's so wonderful to be on this stage representing that. This is my first time choreographing for GALA, so that's super exciting. And I want to thank all of the performers. They are literally, this dance cannot happen without them. And I want to thank my co-Ds and everybody that helped make this dance happen. It makes me so happy.
Hello, everyone. How we feeling? We are so excited for you guys to see our dance. This is sadly my last and final gala, but it's my first time codeing. So I'm so happy and so excited that you guys are getting to experience this with us. I want to start off by thanking my family and my parents specifically for all their love and support and for raising me and keeping me connected to my culture. Whether I was in DR or not, the food, music, history, and love was always there. To our amazing performers, I am so incredibly proud. And I truly can't thank you guys enough. Thank you for helping us bring a little bit of the DR to GALA. Y para toda mi familia en casa y en RD, los amo con todo mi corazón y espero que disfruten este baile con nosotros.
Y ya tú sabes, mi gente, ba, ba, ba.
El hombre que no se casa, que no sabe de cosa buena, tiene que saber buscar no les hagas chismera. Y te lo voy a dar mañana. Hasta mañana, mañana yo te lo doy. Mañana te lo doy. Mañana, mañana te lo doy. Mañana.
Yo de veras, con más amor. Me vives chequeando a cada momento y yo estoy haciendo malos pensamientos. Tu piel morena, mamá, y tu boquita de miel me tiene casi al morir. ¿Qué voy a hacer? Se te nota que tú me estás amando y con tu mirar me estás embrujando. Hablemos de amor, ven y dame un beso. Se te nota que tú estás por eso. Se te nota, se te nota, se te nota, mamá, se te nota. Se te nota, se te nota, se te nota, chichi, se te nota.
¿Usted se cree que yo quiero que me invierta mi dinero en la 42 donde la gente está bailando dembow?
No, no es así, no es. Ponme tú eso pa'lante, 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 pa'lante. Ponme tú eso pa'lante, pa'lante. Ponme tú eso pa'lante, 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 pa'lante. No. Llego equitativa el party, mi bulla te pone recho. El humo juega me arrebata y me enfoco en tu pecho. Todo el mundo desprogramado, siento el party dislocado. Y eso que no me he buscado, deja que mangue el nuevo este que se le eche en todos lados.
Cuando prendo lo que fumo medicina, siempre estoy con eso encima. Los cueros con mis cinco son alta gama y digo La jevito estoy bien fresco, pero no para la bala. Se la pizza pa, no vivo va a contar. Ay, cuida tu cuerito que cuando mueve se pone loca. Yo si te la choco, te le doy casete de barata y digo sa.